Sail to your new lifestyle. Modern lifestyle. 38 first-class residences. Luxury. Residences with an elegant, unique, avant-garde design. A peaceful and relaxed paradise that you should meet. Come and meet us. Great panoramic view to Bahía de Banderas, Bucerias, Riviera, Nayarit. Amenities: large two-pool sun deck, gym, tennis court, sandbox, snack bar and private pool. Luxurious finishes. Sail to your new lifestyle. Modern and unique interior design. The best place, the best time, your best lifestyle. Sandbox with hammocks, a few meters from the beach. Come and meet us.